everyone. Today's topic for the video is picture composition of E sound words. Children, how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A we have already done. So this time we are going to practice of E sound words, or we can say A sound words. So children, can you identify this picture? Yes. Which vowel is missing from here? A. R. A. D. Red. Good. Which picture is this? Yes, this is a bed. B. A. D. Bed. P. A. G. Peg. L. A. G. Leg. M. A. Men. D. A. Now, let's do one more exercise. Let's find out the rhyming words of these pictures. Can you read these words? Yes. Let's see. What is this? 10. Which is a rhyming word for 10? Yes. Let's see. Pen. Pen. 10 is the rhyming word of composition, which has E sound words. Which picture is this? Jet. Yes. Jet. Jet. Her name is Ned. Ned. She is wearing which color dress? Red color. Absolutely right. Red. Oh, she is a pet. A cat. Hen. Tree. What is the color of these grass? Green. Very good. Now let's make one simple sentence. This is a hen. This is a pet. She is Ned. This is a net. This is a big tree. The grass is green. The jet is in the sky. This way you can frame simple sentences